I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Hey y'all, I'm about to do an unboxing. Let me move over. I'm gonna unbox all these packages. I got 4 of them. I'm gonna start with the small one. I feel like this is office supplies. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, for work, it's a children's book. This is fun. Skincare. Skincare, hers is really good. I'm gonna put some on today, actually. Dun, 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 dun. It better be pink and just black on the box. This came on Friday or Saturday, and I waited all the way till Monday to come get it. Let me stop shaking this. It's a microphone. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. I want to open it now. But I'd rather like do an official unboxing. I just wasn't carrying this box home. But I'll carry it home like this. I just want to open it and play with it. I just want to see it. I just gotta see it. Oh, so cute. Of course I paid extra for the pink one. So come with a little, it's a little beat up, a little muffler to catch that spit in them S's. And then it comes with this, and I got the one that comes with an extender, like an arm extension. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This feels weird. Hold up. I can't wait to put it together. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Is this bad? Oh, you charge it. Okay. I think you charge it. Oh, these are buttons. Okay. I'm gonna read the manual. Hey guys, welcome back to my... Oh my god, it's so cutesy. Super excited. Can't wait to go home and start screaming into my new microphone. So excited. Love a good package. Oh, damn. I need a box. Damn it, I need a box. And it comes with, I don't know what this is. You hook it up to your like laptop or something. I don't know. I'm gonna play with it though. Oh wait, is this a C port? Wait, is this supposed to light up? I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna watch a whole tutorial and set it up at home. But it comes with the ports that I need, so that's really good. That's great actually. So I'm gonna play with it when I get home. Very excited. For real. When I freshen up my hair so I can see. Crisp, crisp, crisp. I'm gonna talk to you later when I'm not working. And when I'm singing in my mic. I guess I can talk about the skincare, guys. This was like $25. This was the little soap that I've been raving about for months, and I decided to finally buy it. I just wasn't sure if it would make my skin lighter than what it already is, because I didn't want that. It would make it yellow. I know some people said it stains. And this is Asian skincare. That's what they call it, Asian skincare. So damn, my computer always finna die. I'm gonna put some on now. I don't know what this is supposed to do. And it don't help much by reading. That junk in Asian and Chinese. How to use applying a program out to the skin. Thanks. The Asians be looking young just like my people, so I'm gonna try to see what's up. I'm gonna wash my hands again. They all dry. I'm gonna wash my hands again because I just washed them, but then I opened all the boxes, and then I'll put this on my skin. Hey y'all, I'm currently on my break finally. Today I had a sandwich and a salad. I don't think I'll be eating both, or maybe I'll eat, since I didn't bring no chips, I'll eat a little salad. It's a spinach salad, and I got lettuce on my burger. Who you know be this healthy? Who you know be this healthy? A veggie burger, by the way, because we still on our diet. And I got a cranberry spinach salad. Okay. I just feel so gloomy. Like, it's not even funny. I don't know why. Like, I don't know what is going on. I don't know if it's the $400 I just had to pay on top of rent, or if it's just the fact that I just don't feel it. Like, if you ever get in those moods where you just don't feel like nothing. Like, I don't even want to work out today. I really want to just stretch and get in a sauna, which I think I'm going to do. I'll probably do a little bit of glutes, like a little cable workout. But I really don't feel like doing nothing. When I say nothing, baby, I mean nothing. Alright, so y'all gonna have to sit on this water bottle. For me to still be moody, it's like weird. I don't know. Y'all should see how my table look right now. I got stuff everywhere. So this is a new veggie burger. It's not the black bean burger I've been eating. And it's cool, but I don't have as much flavor as the other burger did. I'm not gonna eat all this salad. So I'm gonna take the rest home. Ugh, I did not want the ketchup to get on it. That's fucking nasty. I'm not the type that don't want my food to touch. I just don't like when like syrup get on the wrong thing or ketchup get on the wrong thing. That's weird. But yeah, y'all. Your girl just is feeling like, ooh. Like, I don't know why. Just sometimes I always get like this. Every time like I'm in a new environment, I get adjusted quick, easily, and then I get burnt out so easy. It's so weird. Like that could be with anything, like with school, with work, with like a hobby I started. I just like lose interest in stuff so fast. Like even people. I could be all into 5 minutes later. Why are you talking to me? I'm terrible. I don't know what you call that, but it's bad. Like it's bad. Oh, this is cute. A little burger and a little salad. I'm healthy. But yeah, I don't know. It's one of those days, and when I feel like that, like my energy is low, I don't really physically feel like working out. I feel like I'm straining my body more than anything. Like yesterday I worked out. I had a good little workout. Didn't overpower myself because this is my first day back in like 5 days. So not too much. I really am gonna do it today. But I just might stretch my legs out. I didn't really stretch after my workout last night. I did a little one too when I got home, but I didn't stretch how I needed to. Can you call it a burger if it's no meat? Or do you just have to say like veggie burger or black bean burger? Oh, they fixed it, finally. See? I'm gonna take a nap. Like, I feel so... Oh, if that would have spilled, that would have been bad. If this whole bottle was spilled. Energy to do the stuff that I want to do. Like, because when it comes time for that stuff that I want to do for me, I just feel so, like, already, like, drained. Like, I feel so drained. I don't know why. Like, I have little bursts of energy, but I just feel so tired mentally and physically. And I couldn't say it's something actively wrong. It's more of just like, I don't know, I just be on a motor for so long, and then it catches up to me and it hits me, and I just feel like, if you get what I mean. And I be doing little stuff in between, like taking myself out, doing a little self-care, a little maintenance, a little hair, nails, eatery. Even me buying that microphone, like, I was up late singing, just trying to test it out, playing with it. I wasn't really doing nothing crazy, because it was so late. But it's like I'm trying to fit in stuff. Like, I really wanted to, but I was so tired. I'm like, all right. After like an hour, I'm like, I'm just so sleepy. Like, I had to go to bed and get right back up 5 hours later. And it's like, oh my gosh. I hate when I'm like on a routine of like, routine is not bad, but when it's not saying not what you want to do, I wish I could spend all of my time towards like my brand, my business, trying to like transition into just 100% pour into me. Like, even with school, what I'm trying to work towards, like specifically web development, like all web development, all tech, not even, that's not tech if people didn't know, but like just all of that. But I have to work in between. I have to get the education. I have to like show up for myself in every little area. And it's like, I've been having conversations talking about prioritizing and balancing, but all of it is a priority. I have to work because I have to pay my bills. I have to go to school so that I can land the job I want to get. I mean, you don't have to, but that's my choice that I made to do so. And it's like, I feel like I'm overwhelming myself, but I have to, if that makes sense. I'm not overwhelming myself with like BS. I'm overwhelming myself with like stuff that actually like is going to pour into me in the long run. So it's just about working harder and like trying to be happy in between it. Because I don't feel like I'm a happy person, but it do be catching up to me. Like the stuff I be having going on, and I feel like acknowledging that is also important, rather than ignoring it. So that's a good thing, that I'm knowing like what it is, or I'm like, I can assume it's those few things that's like getting to me. Like, I can't say I don't have time for me, but I don't make time for the things that make me me, if that makes sense. I think that makes sense. I just want to take a nap. I just want to take a nap so bad. And that's how you know I'm tired. Because I don't ever take naps. Like, I can just go and go and go. Like, mind you, I'm on spring break. I haven't even had class since last week. Caught up on all my homework. I finished my public speech outline. So, like, I'm all up to date and I'm still drained. Like, it's so weird. Like, as soon as stuff calmed down, even a slow day at work, I feel drained and overwhelmed. That's how you know stuff work how I want to work. It don't really be like what you physically do sometimes. Oh, the baby's is loud at that. I'm not even gonna watch the show. I gotta finish watching these videos on these on these digital products, because y'all, your girl has a lot to do and a lot to really lock in and learn, for real. So I watch the videos and shows when I'm home, but I gotta lock in. For real, your girl about to be 24 next month. I just want to pick up the salad Your girl about to be 24 next month. It's crazy to me. Like, it's so crazy. It's scary. I told somebody today when I turn 25, I'm gonna keep resetting, telling people I'm 25 until I'm 30. Then I'm moving to the 31 and all of that. Alright, I'm gonna talk to that later when I get my life together. And yeah, it'll be better energy. I'm sorry I seem so low. I'm just very sleepy. Nothing personal, nothing detrimental. I just wanted to talk to y'all because I be having energy all the time. And today, baby boo, bam, I'm tired.
Do you think my brain is made for